We need to develop research in order to develop new ways to treat the diseases of the eye, especially when it comes to the retina.
So I've been doing research in retina since my beginning of my career for 20 years. And in general, in a simple way, we like to investigate the safety and efficiency of medications that we inject inside the eye and substances that we inject inside the eye.
There really isn't a good way for medicines to penetrate the retina, and that's what one of Dr. Rodriguez's research interests is, in drug delivery to the retina.
20 years ago, maybe we can say age-related macular degeneration, which has two types, dry type and wet type. There was no certain treatment for it. But in the past 16 years, I can say it started in 2005, these anti-VEGF medications were introduced, which are helping in treating the disease. It is not a permanent cure for it, but definitely it improves it and prevents that extensive loss of vision. The medicine was originally introduced to treat cancer. It was approved for metastatic colorectal cancer, and the concept was that that medicine shrinks the vessels, so the vessels to the cancer are shrunk, and then cancer cells would die out. Around 2005-06, they found that this medicine, very small amount when injected in the eye, is helping those vessels in macular degeneration or some other disease like diabetes as well, some vascular occlusions, several other things, to regress, to shrink. But I can say that this has revolutionized the wet macular degeneration treatment in the past 15 years. And also for dry type, we do not have a treatment. But now there are some other studies going on for medications which might help. They are thinking of what is causing it, what is the underlying, and based on those, some medications are developed. Actually, SLU is a site for one of these clinical trials, and we are recruiting patients now. And then we will see what happens. If we get good results in the 2 or 3 years, that might become another treatment for dry macular degeneration.
We are going to start clinical trials here of gene therapy for retina dystrophies, for example, retinitis pigmentosa. So there are several gene therapies starting, and this is something we did here at St. Louis University. We are doing genetic tests for all patients, and we are now analyzing what type of genes are most common here so we can conduct the clinical trials for those patients. But this is something that's not so advanced yet. We're still in the very early stages of research.
We're at the point where we can make these incredible diagnostic treatment decisions, but we're not there with the treatment modalities, the drug therapy and the gene therapy that will change the way we treat diseases in the future.